Okay, so for training purposes, is that okay that we use this video for training purposes? We're gonna put our team page on it. I can't even speak. Put it on our team page so other girls can have this kind of fun. So here's the rules of the game. You had to write down 3 reasons why you would throw out makeup or replace makeup, and that's what you did. And then after you wrote down your 3 reasons, we said, now go ahead and write the name of, let's say your ex. Well, let's make that a little bit better, okay? Your ex at the top of the page. There you go. Then we're going to read off our answers of why we had to get rid of our ex. So what are yours, darling?
He's old and clumpy. He looks fake. And he comes off too quickly.